If you want to build some really premium websites just like the visuals on your screen, you got to watch this video, because I'm going to go full show every step and build a really legit website, and people are making tens and thousands of dollars by showing these type of websites, showing these skills and building websites for businesses and charging money. You can also do that with just a single prompt on Lovable. I'll show you the full step, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Here we are inside Claude now, and the reason we are in Claude is because we are doing something called as meta prompting. So meta prompting is giving an AI. Here in this case I'm using Claude. It's just like Chatgpt, but it has better features, that's why I'm using it. Meta prompting, we are giving an AI all the context and actually telling it to prompt for us for the website that we are going to build. And I have referenced a lot of images for this, and meta prompting is not an easy task. We have to give Claude a lot of context. After that, we have to make it think like a web designer. Since we are not web designers, we have to make it think like that, and we have to generate some really good prompts with Claude. And now, yeah, since I referenced a few images, and after that I use something called as chain of thoughts, where I use Claude to ask me questions, where we lock in the brand style of this. So we have named this site architecture as FLUX, and yeah, Claude has generated the tagline and positioning for us. I have chosen the colors. Claude has completely written the architecture for us. After that, we are generating our hero video in Google Flow, and we are generating 8 images in Google Gemini or Chatgpt. After all these things, we are pasting all those images and the video with this one single master prompt. Look at this. This is a prompt that is not possible for a human to write, right? That's why I used Claude to do a meta prompting like this. And now we will be actually pasting each one of these prompts into Chatgpt and getting our images. Just like this. So we will generate all 8 images and the video as well, and finally give it to Lovable with the master prompt that Claude has given to us. Now we are in Lovable, and we have generated the video as well, just like this, and we will, yeah, we have everything ready. All the 8 images and the video, we will just paste it here in Lovable. Attach it. With that, we will also attach the prompt that Claude has given to us. So we will be able to generate this entire website in a single prompt. We will try to generate it in a single prompt because let's see how well Claude works in meta prompting. And you can really build these websites in single prompts, but after that you can iterate it for further improvements. Now we will copy paste it, and let's see what Lovable builds for us. I can actually walk you guys through these prompts, but actually this is a very long prompt. That's why I'm putting it in the description. And such websites, as I told it before, they actually, you can charge tens and thousands of dollars for this. It's really easy to make such websites in vibe coding apps like Lovable with meta prompting, as I have shown you. And let's see what Lovable is building for us here. We have given all the images and the video for it, and it is analyzing the design system and integration. Yes, this is a massive premium smartwatch vet. So this is the website, guys, that we got with a single prompt with Lovable, and it looks absolutely premium. This is my genuine reaction. I just didn't expect this in the first prompt. I thought I had to iterate this a lot of video editing will be involved in this, but no way. Look at the animation, look at the video that has been blending in. Yeah, it's absolutely superb. The amount of precision that has been involved in this is really good for the first try. I do think that except the first video thing, as we come down, it's not actually engaging that premium look, but for the first try it is absolutely amazing. We can change the color as well here. Yes, we can change it. We can add to cart. Let's see different. I'm pretty much impressed with this. We can refine it further, iterate it further, but now for now it just looks amazing, and you can also build such amazing website as I told you before. So just like that, we made a really good website with Lovable in just a single prompt. Yes, it needed some iterations that I will do it afterwards, but anybody can build this with some frameworks, right? And all those frameworks I have put it in the description, the web designing frameworks that I have fed into Claude to actually give this prompt. It's not about the context that I only showed you in that chat. It was also about the frameworks that I gave it in a separate project that I told you to use it here. You can also use those frameworks and just start building websites and charging businesses for that and make money. Thank you. Subscribe if you want more such videos.